Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Devices. Now click on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait, your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use a different service, disable this one first, thanks to this switcher at the top. Go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Then tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!